Okay, so we got it on. Inflating was really easy. You just stick the pump in the back, turn it on, attach it to your pants, and it just stays like this. There's batteries in mine, but you can use a USB. It's really comfortable. You don't really feel like you're wearing anything, and it's goofy, very goofy. I definitely think it could fit a child as well. It's actually easier to walk in than I thought. My pet parrot, his name is Pete. Ooh. You could take it outside, walk around in it. Actually, my legs feel warm if you don't need heavy pants. Hi.
Hi.
How are you?
Good, how are you?
Like my costume? All right.
Oh.
Have a good day.
Definitely recommend buying this blow-up parrot costume. It's so worth it. I mean, you could use it for so many different events. Halloween, school presentations, maybe even a jungle-themed birthday party. Definitely a good deal.